people, we thank Baba God. Baba God don't allow us see today. Today, my yarnings could be about the Nollywood movie, major new comers for Prime Video. That they call Roses and Ivy. Now, BIODUN STEPHEN, now they on the matter. Today, that before I yarn about the movie, I won't give that woman a flowers. The woman, now the Greek goat. The woman are one of the goats for the industry. I don't want to watch any of that woman movie, me I don't be disappointed. The movie they teach lessons, and movie they always teach lessons. You go watch movie, you go dey stuck as in. You no go fit believe, say, na that movie be this. The lessons they to dey learnt. Before I still continue, if you know say you know want watch that movie, this one I no be say me you waka go cinema or you fit dey your house. That Prime Video, subscribe to your Prime Video, watch that movie. The movie na lesson to everybody. Whether you be man or you be woman, you be boy, you be girl, na movie to everybody. Make we dey patient. It is very difficult to, I no go lie you. Patience na one thing wey be say it is very difficult for us to get. But at the same time, you see the part of what we need for this our life. For growth, we need to be patient for everything we dey do. But at the same time, most times, you know how life dey swing. Life dey swing you off balance. Maybe say most times, your own family member feel lose guard you. Because you feel run, come off for outside, come inside house, make house shade you. But last house not go shade you. Now house go put you for show glass. My outside that come by you. That's so life they happen like that. You understand? So the movie teaches us no man betrayal they bound to happen. Now one of those things for life. And one of the main core of that movie, that the act of this issue of looking for children, it's a person couple, they find picking. That thing not really easy, emotionally, financially, mentally. That thing they draining. You women be say your husband does knock you one or two, but let us show. No man, 9 months time you born, you don't know what they go do for you, really. If you dey opportune to dey close to women, may they look for children, or you dey opportune to just they go one of those IVF center, you dey walk around those settings, or IUI center, you will feel for women. You will feel the pain, the mental torture, the emotional torture, the physical torture, the financial torture when they go through. It not be easy something, no. Not be easy something. Most of all these women, they tell you how many injections they shook for their body before they will do the procedure and all that. Most of the time, the procedure self will fail. You can't doubt yourself, say, I no pray rich, I no do this one, I may be the bad person for this life. But it go fail. Some people they do IVF 5 times. That 5 times go fail. So it's not really easy. That's why so this medium, so if you see get people around you when be say that they get issue, you know what feel born for years now. Don't make them, they stigmatize them, I be how you body speak the English. No, they mock them. At least if you get opportunity or encourage them, draw them close, talk to them. This movie and a movie me I want me everybody watch. Go watch and make you learn things. Because most people just they are thinking faculty on one side a day. They only think different side of life. As the thing go straight, the other thing go straight. The only reason say a person if bend go left to, person if bend go right to, me still reason on that place. Only people they are reasoning na straight. So that's why this movie make will educate you. Educate you for different aspects of life. Say life not be how you the reasoner. The fact say you marry within a year, God bless you with picking. It not be like that for other persons. You understand? So as much as possible, make we dey kind, make we dey our words, make we dey use, make we dey watch them. make we dey loving to our people around us. Even people may see dey far for people make we dey jam daily, make we see dey kind. The life no really easy like that. At the same time, I go still talk am again. BIODUN STEPHEN, Mama, collect your flowers. You be one of the goats. You really deserve am. As in, when I watch this movie, as in, I feel the emotion before I end with it, before I come. My yarn is today. Normal, I won't give kudos to all the casts for this movie. They deliver their job. The film, the emotion too real. I think you dey feel the emotion. You may dey watch the movie. You dey feel them. As in, see cast now. Cast they deliver. Cast deliver. Finish for the film. The emotion was raw. Everything about the film was everything. The writing, the costumes, everything about the movie. Not get the thing. Maybe we feel also talk say it dey out of place. Normal, my rating for the movie, I will give a 9/10. Because normally this movie na 10/10. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. The only way I feel was okay, I can't give a 9/10. And that episode 2. When the subtitle not on the follow up. But after that, everything bam. So my people, they could not go watch that movie. My people, wanna do.